Tennant Company, a world leader in developing innovative solutions that help create a cleaner, safer, healthier world, brings you ProPanel technology, a revolutionary breakthrough in user experience. ProPanel technology is available on select Tennant machines, from walk-behind scrubbers to large industrial sweeper scrubbers. Tennant's ProPanel is providing a complete machine management solution for operators, service techs, and for owners. Everything you need to operate and manage each machine is right at your fingertips. Tennant's ProPanel technology simplifies operation with intuitive touchscreen controls. Improve operator efficiency while providing a single point of control for virtually all cleaning operations directly in front of the operator. Cleaning adjustments are clearly visible, quick, and easy. Each operator logs in with a Pro ID. Their personalized cleaning settings are automatically activated and they can get to work quickly. Reduce the need for extensive operator training. Programmable zone settings allow you to establish your preferred cleaning settings by area of facility, helping you to ensure more consistent cleaning. As the cleaning requirements change in the facility, you can change to a different zone setting specifically programmed for cleaning that area. The ProPanel's high visibility screen enables operators to view all controls in low light areas, ensuring ease of use in various environments. With ProPanel, instantly view and adjust cleaning functions, zone settings, and monitor operating levels and system alerts. All settings are stored on board, and the touchscreen makes it easy to see the status of all functions at a glance. That means you get the same great results every time. In addition, ProPanel's Performance View featured on rider machines allows operators a view of the cleaning path behind them without having to strain to turn around in the seat or take their eyes off the direction of travel, promoting safety and operator comfort. A rear view camera can help prevent the operator from backing into things. Tennant exclusive ProPanel technology extends control of your equipment beyond the operator benefits. Supervisor controls help ensure asset protection and prevent unauthorized use by allowing supervisors the ability to program the machine to the skill level of the operator and restrict items like speed and down pressure as needed. The Pro Check feature available on certain models enables supervisors to provide pre-operation checklists. Checklists can be created and viewed in multiple languages, ensuring a good start on cleaning operation and that requirements are met. Onboard troubleshooting and operator tutorial videos mean less downtime. It all adds up to the easiest to use, most functional and complete control system for your cleaning machine. Everything is at your fingertips. Tennant's ProPanel is engineered to provide productivity, versatility, and safety. Innovative technology helps to ensure ease of operation and maintenance. Deliver consistent cleaning results, reduce training costs, improve the operator and technician experience, quickly troubleshoot issues and maintain your equipment, and deliver health and safety benefits, all while reducing your cost to clean. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.